Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with um the second puzzle. Yes, the second puzzle is a four star Sudoku. Yeah, a 4 star Sudoku. Um, in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 19th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. And three puzzles are left: the binary and the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Well, this one is very special. Has 8 printed digits. Should be a hard one. And also the 4 stars Sudoku. Number 7299. 7299. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 24. Yes, this one has 24 printed digits. 4 stars puzzle. 4 star Sudoku has always 24. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s, 4 3s. All right. 2 4s, 2 5s, 3 6s, 3 7s, 1 8, and 3 9. So the threes are a majority. Can I start with 3? Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. All right. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, first row. 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. We have here 2 numbers left in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then we need a 7 here, okay. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 9. But we have a pair, I believe. The 3 and a 9 in the first column. The 3 and a 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 3 and 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 9, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this row. So no 3 and 9 in this box. 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. Yeah, as a pair. Alright. And now, let me think. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. See a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the last row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes and then a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the third column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 7. Need a 7 here. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in these two boxes. Here's 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. See a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there, 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So in the column between the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. Need a 6 here, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 6. Here can be a 6 because we have 6 in the first column, no 6 there. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. So the 6 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there in this row. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, the only two place level 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only two place level 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 1, number 6. Okay, and now. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this middle column. One of the missing number in the middle column is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 5 in the middle column should be here. Alright. Okay. Then. How about 2. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 1 should be there. Need 1 here, okay. Need a 1 there. 1 and the 4 is missing. Okay. And now. We have a 4 and a 5 in this row, third row, 4 and a 5 in the second row. So in the row above, the only two places left for the 4 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 4 and a 5, 4 and 5. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. And I need a 5. Yeah. We have a pair, I believe. The 5 and 8 in this column. The 5 and 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places left for the 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So I've eliminated the 7 here. So the 7 goes here. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between. The only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that third column. So the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1, 1. Okay. We have a pair again. The 1 and the 9 in the last column. The 1 and the 9 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Now. Let me see. 4. 1 box left in this second column for Nama. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. 4. Okay. 4 in the last row. 4 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for Namas. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing. 2, okay. Here we need also a number 4. Need a 4 here. 7, need a 4 here also. 4, 7, and need a 2. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then. Let me see. How about 8. I need an 8 there. Well. I need a 3 here. And I need a 4 here. And I need a 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. Well, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 and 8, we have a 5 now in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2. Alright. And now. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 5 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square on the The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 9 and a 3, we have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Cannot believe this, 14 minutes. Because for 4 stars puzzle, if it's really a 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more. Well, is this a really 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Well, I'm faster than 50 minutes, so let me give this a 1 star. Yeah, a 1 star puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Especially the last one, because we have a jigsaw Sudoku with 8 printed digits. First time with 8 printed digits. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.